African leadership, lessons from ancient empires. What if the secrets to modern leadership aren't found in today's boardrooms, but in the ancient palaces and councils of Africa's greatest empires? From the Nile Valley to the Sahel, Africa's kings, queens, and councils mastered the art of leadership centuries before modern management theories were even written. Today, we'll uncover how civilizations like ancient Egypt, Nubia, Kush, Mali, and Great Zimbabwe built lasting systems of power, and how you can apply their timeless wisdom to your own journey as a leader. True leadership begins with vision, the ability to see beyond the horizon. Take Pharaoh Hatshepsut of Egypt, one of history's most remarkable rulers. She defied expectations, expanded trade routes across the Red Sea, and led her nation into an age of prosperity and peace. Her story reminds us that leadership isn't about power, it's about purpose. Great leaders serve a vision greater than themselves. In the kingdom of Kush, leadership was not about dictatorship, it was about balance. The Kushite rulers established systems of governance rooted in justice and accountability. Queens like Amanirenas, the Kandake who defeated Roman invaders, proved that leadership thrives on unity, courage, and fairness. Their councils valued collaboration, ensuring that power was shared between leaders, warriors, and spiritual advisors, a model echoing Africa's core philosophy, Ubuntu, I am because we are. The Mali Empire, led by Mansa Musa, became the world's richest civilization not just because of gold, but because of strategy. Mansa Musa invested in education, trade, and faith, transforming Timbuktu into a center of global learning. He understood that wealth without wisdom fades, but knowledge builds nations. This is the lesson for every African youth today. True leadership means investing in people, ideas, and progress. From Great Zimbabwe to Aksum, Africa's empires thrived because they embraced diversity and adapted to change. Leaders learned to unify tribes, languages, and beliefs under one vision. This resilience, the ability to rebuild, reorganize, and rise again, is what modern Africa needs most. Leadership isn't about avoiding struggle, it's about transforming struggle into strength. So what can today's African youth learn from these ancient leaders? 3 timeless principles. Kick up 1 vision over ego, lead with purpose, not pride. Kick up 2 justice over fear, build trust through fairness. Kick up 3 community over competition, empower others to rise with you. Whether you're starting a movement, a business, or a dream, these lessons can guide your path. Ancient Africa didn't just build empires, it built blueprints for leadership. The same wisdom that shaped Egypt, Kush, and Mali still flows through us today. So ask yourself, are you ready to lead like the ancients, with courage, vision, and unity? This is your time to rise. Because the spirit of Africa's greatest leaders still lives in you.